We don't want him unconscious.
I'm gonna tell you something. You've been very stupid not to take advantage of my offer to make you one of my muchachos. We could have been amigos. But you preferred to go your own way, didn't you? You're gonna tell me where that gold's hidden. You'll tell me if I have to cut your tongue out. You made a mistake. How could you? How could you make a mistake as elementary as all that? Now you're gonna have to pay. Mr. Sorrow doesn't like to be cheated. Carlos, go prepare our persuasive little pets. We have to get going, but you won't find it lonely. I'm gonna make sure you have nice company. What do you like? The company of snakes or blood-sucking vampire bats? Rats can also be good company. You won't feel lonely. Now I'll wish you good night. Come on.
It's useless, Sorrow. You can't scare me. You'll never get me to tell you. You don't know me.
We'll see. We'll see. I've made stronger men than you tell me everything. You'll change your ideas soon. Come on, Carlos. Sleep easy.